Using an E-TRADE IRA is a smart way to save for retirement and achieve your long-term financial goals. First, let's start with the basics. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of savings account that provides tax benefits for retirement savings. E-TRADE is a well-established online brokerage firm that offers a range of IRA options. There are two main types of IRAs: traditional and Roth, each with its own set of rules and benefits. A traditional IRA allows you to deduct your contributions from your taxable income, reducing your tax liability for the year. The money then grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds in retirement. On the other hand, a Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars, so you've already paid income tax on the money, but the funds grow tax-free and you won't pay taxes when you withdraw them. E-TRADE IRAs offer a range of benefits, including flexibility and control over your investments. You can choose from a wide variety of investment products, such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds, allowing you to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Additionally, E-TRADE provides low fees, advanced trading tools, and exceptional customer service. To get started with an E-TRADE IRA, you'll need to open an account and fund it with an initial deposit. You can then set up a systematic investment plan, which allows you to transfer a fixed amount of money from your bank account to your IRA at regular intervals. This helps you invest regularly and take advantage of dollar cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility on your investments. It's also important to consider the contribution limits and eligibility requirements for E-TRADE IRAs. In general, you can contribute up to a certain amount each year, and the eligibility rules are based on your income level and participation in an employer-sponsored retirement plan. In conclusion, using an E-TRADE IRA can be a great way to save for retirement and achieve your long-term financial goals. By understanding the benefits and rules of traditional and Roth IRAs, and taking advantage of the flexibility and control offered by E-TRADE, you can create a personalized investment strategy that helps you build a secure financial future.